Let's take a look inside and see what we have. As you look around, we did an L-shaped steel counter on this, 22 inches deep. You'll see the duplex outlets. Everything is wired directly to the breaker box. You'll see the insulated glass on the inside also. Come around, there's also a storage drawer and lock. And then looking in here, we did supply this ductless split system, as you see. Also has a little pump to pump out the condensate. And then I'll show you the electric box. There's the UL electric box. All the power's coming up through the floor. This building also did have the raised rubber disc flooring on the bottom as an option. A little bit softer for the chairs rolling. 90 inch interior, LED lights as you see. And that should just about do it.